Dear students of class 8, this is the third video of this chapter 3, Exponents and Powers. Welcome to the class. You get ready with your notepad and something to, if needed to write, already watch this video and try to understand. Negative exponents. Negative exponents you can say the negative power. So it is a to the power minus 1 is equal to, we can write 1 by a. Okay. So one example, if you take 4 by 3 to the power minus 1, you can write 1 by 4 by 3 or that is equal to 3 by 4. Take another example, if you take minus 9 by 5 to the power minus 1, that is equal to 1 by minus 9 by 5 or that is equal to 5 by minus 9 or equal to minus 5 by 9. Similarly, if you take m is some positive integer, then a to the power minus m, that is equal to 1 by a to the power m. Clear? So let us take another by taking a rational number a by b to the power minus m. So that is equal to 1 by a by b to the power m, or if you split 1 by b, a to the power m by b to the power m, and that goes up if you b to the power m by a to the power m, and that is equal to b by a to the power m. So this shows that a by b to the power minus m is equal to b by a to the power m. Clear? Zero exponent. Zero exponent, let us take here for understanding. Suppose a is a rational number, a is belong to q. Q, as you know, the symbol of rational number. A to the power 0 is equal to 1. A is not, the base a is not equal to 0. Let us verify this. We know that a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Let us take, suppose m is equal to n. So what will find out? A to the power m divided by a to the power n. What will find out? A to the power m minus n. Since m is equal to n, therefore it becomes a to the power m minus m. That power becomes 0, a to the power 0. Since a to the power m divided by a to the power m, you know that is equal to 1. Therefore, this confirms that a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay? A to the power m by a to the power m, that is equal to a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Clear? Next. Now verify for this power product law, the first one, a to the power m plus into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. The same now will verify for this product law or law of exponent. For negative exponent, if you take, suppose m value is minus 2, n is equal to minus 3, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power minus 2 into a to the power minus 3. That is equal to 1 by a to the power 2 or a square into 1 by a cube. That is equal to a to the power 2 plus 3. That is 1 by a to the power 5 or a to the power minus 5. Okay, so this verifies for the value. If you take a to the power m into a to the power n, what will find out? It is a to the power minus 2 into a to the power minus 3. That is equal to 8, a to the power minus 5. So finally also become a to the power minus 5. Therefore, the negative exponent is verified for this product law. Okay. Next, let us verify for zero exponent. As you know, zero exponent by taking m is equal to n is equal to 0. So if m is equal to 0, n is equal to 0. So a to the power m into a to the n is equal to a to the power 0 into a to the power 0. So a to the power 0 means that is 1 into 1. Therefore, a to the power m plus n, if you take, it becomes a to the power 0 plus 0. So that is equal to a to the power 0 is equal to 1. So this verifies for a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. I hope it is clear. So the same negative exponent and zero exponent, you can verify for quotient law, that is a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m by n. And also verify for power law, that is a to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Okay? Here some questions for you. You work out, try to answer this. Simplify and express as a rational number. First bit 4 by 9 to the power minus 2 into 3 by 2 to the power minus 3. Second bit 3 by 8 into power minus 3 divided by 3 by 16 to the power minus 3. Question 2, simplify and express the as positive exponent 3 by 5 to the power minus 1 into 4 by 15 to the power minus 1. Second bit 6 inverse or 6 to the power minus 1 plus 8 to the power minus 1 whole bracket minus 1 is equal to 3 to the power minus 1 plus 3 to the power minus 1 whole bracket minus 1. So you work out this doubts, if any. We will discuss this, all these things we will discuss in next videos. Dear children, if you like these videos, you can share and subscribe. The questions given you, that you go through the law we discussed, that is product law, quotient law, power law, etc. You can apply and find. So if you like the video, you can share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.